Students, now we are going to discuss about the third unit, organizing. So all of us know about the organizing process. What is organizing? Organizing is the general sense means systematic arrangement of the activities. Organizing follows planning. Definitely, the process of identifying the grouping the work to be performed, dealing with defining the delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing the relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work more effectively together in accomplishing object. So, organizing in management refers to the relationship between the people, work, and the resources used to achieve the objective. Organization structure, design of organization, movement, and blueprint. Organization is a structure explain the position and optical relationship between the various level. Low level manager, middle level manager, top level manager. The managers are classified in hierarchy of authority. The pyramid shows the hierarchical view of management. Nature of organization, learning the objective, identifying the task, grouping the task, delegation, coordination. Perform an analysis about the work, identifying the work organization structure. Delegation of authority. Authority structure. Organizing aids to management. It facilitates growth, creativity. It ensures optimum use of formal and informal group. A formal group is a structured group which has a plan and position each job's objective. Characteristics of formal group. Formal means something systematic. It is an official structure. It is an objective oriented. Advantages is the line of communication is very clear. It is accuracy of the information systematic. Informal group, it is the outcome of personal, social, friendly relationship. It develops spontaneously. Characteristics of informal group. Informal group is created by the member of organization for their purpose. Type of organization structure. Line and staff structure, functional structure, commitment structure, project. Line structure flows from the top to lower level. It is the simplest and oldest method followed in many organizations. Merits of line structure, simple and easy to establish. Authority and responsibility is clearly defined. Ensure better discipline. Demerits of line structure is overburdened with a lot of administrative work. It may result in autocratic control. The staff is attached to the line and staff expert specialization in the specific area. Merits of line and demerit relate to the top executives, a quality decision. It is flexible. Demerits of the line and staff often arises conflict between the line and staff, lead to the confusion since responsibility is divided. Functional organization, there will be a separate department for different activities. Better control over subordinate, scope of expansion, higher efficiency, it is interdependent. Committee organization, a group of people interested in a task, permanent committee, temporary or ad hoc committee. The scope of the merit is scope of group judgment, proper coordination and control among individual and department, expensive affairs to constitute a committee, time consuming and slow decision. Project organization, it varies from one organization to the another organization. Any organization execute a large project. The merit is maximum use of specialized knowledge and skill, flexibility of operation, evaluation of the performance. Demerit is pressure and uncertainty due to several aspects. It is suitable where merits best utilization of organizational resources, benefit to both functional and technical specialized. Demerit, it is against principle of unity of command, quick decision possible. It gives scope of what is span of management. Span of management is also called as the span of control, span of supervision. It refers to the number of subordinates that report directly. Two types of span, narrow span and of management, tall organization manager and then broad. Wide span management, flat organization, heavy people are supervised by a single person. So the diagram explain narrow span and the wide span of control. Factors determine the span of control, nature of work, ability of manager, capacity of the subordinate, degree of decentralization, staff arrangement. Next one is the departmentation. It is the process of grouping individual job into departmentation. Departmentation by function. Departmentation done by the function CEO, production, finance. Merits and demerits provide scope of specialization, eliminate cost of duplication of work. Departmentation by product. It is suitable for different line of product. Reduces problem of coordination. It leads to the specialization, performance evaluation and can be done easily. Territorial or geographical departmentation. Manages North Zone, manages South Zone. Merit and demerit. Merit, it helps in achieving benefit of local operation. Demerited due to logical. Departmentation by customer. Each department will serve a particular type of class of customer. Board of it can merit, offer scope, enterprises, knowledge categories. Process of equipment. The grouped according to the process or equipment, time and number of departmentation, the activities of a group on basis of time, call center at any factory, number the activities. Centralization and decentralization. Feigl has introduced the 14 principle of management which is very dynamic. Centralization is systematic and consistent restoration of authority at a central point in the organization. The implication of centralization can be restoration of decision-making power, top level, restoration of operating condition. What are the factors influencing centralization? Level of diversity, nature of growth, nature of business. Advantages of centralized organization structure, uniformity, information, personal relationship. So with this, we are concluding our session, and next session we will discuss the balance topic in our organization. If you have any doubt, you can raise your questions. Otherwise, we can conclude the session and continue in the next session.